Today I'm going to attempt to pick this, or actually rake this thumb turn lock. It's a Dimple lock. And it allows you to unlock the lock from like the inside of a door. And this would be the outside of the door. And this is the Dimple rake from Covert Instruments. I think it came from the Echelon kit. So, let's get this in a vise. Okay, let's get this in here. Tight, zoom in a bit. Okay, this is locked. And watch this right here. Alright. Not much on Dimple locks, but if you look at this, it's got dimples coming up. Make sure you use the right side with the dimples raking. And it has a high-low pattern. Okay, we're going to shake around a bit here. Get that rake in there. There we go. Back out a little bit. There we go. This usually takes longer than raking the pen tunnel or the rake. See everything, thumb turn move in this lock. So that opens it. But there's a much easier way for opening these thumb turn locks. And that's why you gotta do is get a wire with a bend on it. Like this. This is the pick for the American 1100. And all you need to do is insert this to the very back where the springs are. You can see. Turns the locking bolt there. So these are on a lot of doors in Europe. And they're not very secure, as you can see. If I can get the pick out now. There we go. Alright, so there we have a Dimple lock. Open 2 ways.